Saturday the 19th of May 2018, 9:26 p.m. Abu Dhabi, the 19th of May 2018, WAM, a group of Muslim scholars invited by President His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan to the UAE, delivered on Saturday lectures at a number of mosques in Abu Dhabi on the manners and values that should be upheld by fasting people, calling for making the most out of the holy month of Ramadan by following the virtuous path of Allah Almighty. Lectures are organized by the General Authority of Islamic Affairs and Endowments. The guest scholars highlighted that Ramadan is a month of tolerance, generous giving, knowledge-seeking, recitation of Quran, and promotion of peace. They said it is one of the great blessings by Islam to humanity at large. The guest scholars' daily agenda includes lectures in different languages, including Arabic, English and Urdu. Adam Muhammad